Alrighty, take two, take two.
Somebody said they saw you. Don't crack camera, son. The person you was kissing wasn't me. Cheers, I'm laughing. I didn't want to know the truth. I just kept it to myself. I don't want to know. If you playing me, keep it on the low. Cause my widow hurt can't take it anymore. And if you keep it, please don't let it show. Oh, baby.
Some American Idol shit.
Oh, baby, touch better. Touch better. On my face. So you know how I'm in the house, how you moving. I know when you in the house. Yeah, but you gotta start stripping.
Yeah, give a shout out to YouTube listeners.
Hold the camera, I'm about to strip. Keep singing. Yo, stop it. We gotta start all over. I got a new song.
Alright.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Damn, little mama. You got the camera on me?
Yeah.
Alright, so it look like it's about. I ain't never seen an ass like that since right? I'm in love with a fucking stripper. Alright? She got everybody ever got. Everybody know that. She's facing a booty so fat. I'm in love with 24 stacks, cause I'm in love and you're not. Cause she know what she do. And she make a nigga wanna go back home. Some shit. Like that. Cause I'm in love with a stripper. She got it, she got it. Cause I'm in love with strippers. What you got getting me? Nah, I'm good. Cause I'm in love. Now you can't see my body. Cause that's my gay nigga. Now I'm gonna spit some more bars. Stop that. You can't put that one on YouTube.
Alright.
So you